our first video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to clean up some space on your computer by using the disk cleanup feature. So what you're going to want to do is go down to the start menu and start typing. Type in disk cleanup. And up you'll see Windows 7 or Windows 11 might be a little different. This is Windows 10, but it'll be the same premise of disk cleanup. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, a little window is going to pop up for you saying that it's calculating how much space you will be able to free on your drive that you're scanning by going through the temporary files and all that stuff. So once it's done, it'll tell you what you can delete and how much space it'll free up. So we'll let that scan, and then it'll pop up with a window like this, saying your downloaded program files, temporary internet files. I have a total of, you can delete everything on here. I have a total of 16.3 gigs that's going to get freed up for me on my drive. So once you're done selecting all the stuff you want to delete, you're going to want to just go down and click OK. You can do the cleanup system files, but it's irrelevant, really. The space that it saves, I wouldn't recommend it. Just go ahead and click OK, and then it'll ask you if you want to permanently delete these files. You're going to go ahead and click Delete Files. Alrighty, so once you have clicked Delete Files, it is going to run, and it'll say cleaning and tell you what it's cleaning. It'll cleaning up the drive Windows C in my instance, but it'll be whatever drive you scanned on. So once you do the disk cleanup and this completes, you're all set. So as you can see, it's cleaning up my temporary files. I also highly suggest getting an SSD drive because your original spinning disk 7200 RPM drives, they do wear out after some years of running constantly. An SSD drive is completely electronic, no moving parts. They last a long time. So I highly suggest SSD drives instead of your normal SATA 7200 RPM or 10,000 RPM disk drive. Mine is actually on its way out. So I'm going to have to think about upgrading that in a little bit. I highly suggest WD Blue. I've used two of these on laptop repairs. They're 500 gig, 1 terabyte, 250 gig SSD drives, and they work great. They format great, and I've had no issues with those at all. So that's good. So once that's all cleaned up, you are all set, and you just freed yourself up some space on your computer. Other than that, if you want to go and check, you can go and see your drive, and I actually am 16.3 gigs less than I had, or more than I had before. So we freed up a little bit of space. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. All right. Thank you.